25 very important and tough multiple-choice questions on general knowledge of Meghalaya, specially curated for Meghalaya Police 2025 exam. Hey everyone, welcome back to Meghalaya Knowledge Hub. In today's video, we're bringing you 25 high-level GK questions on Meghalaya that are perfect for last-minute revision for the MLP 2025 exam. Let's see how many you can score. 1. Which district of Meghalaya shares its border with both Assam and Bangladesh? A. Ribhoi. B. South Garo Hills. C. West Jaintia Hills. D. East Casey Hills. Correct answer is D. East Casey Hills. 2. What is the primary traditional governing body in the Khasi society? Anakma. B. Siemship. C. Doloi. D. Rangba Shnong. Correct answer is B. Siemship. 3. Which river is considered the cleanest river in Asia and flows through Meghalaya? A. Umngot. B. Simsang. C. Mintu. D. Jadukata. Correct answer is A. Umngot. 4th. Who was the first Chief Minister of Meghalaya after attaining full statehood in 1972? A. W.A. Sangma. B. Lingdo. C. D. Lapang. D. P. A. Sangma. Correct answer is A. W.A. Sangma. 5th. Nokrek Biosphere Reserve is located in which range of Meghalaya? A. Khasi Hills. B. Jaintia Hills. C. Garo Hills. D. Ranikor Range. The correct answer is C. Garo Hills. 6. Which famous dance of Meghalaya is performed by the Nar tribe? A. Wangala. B. Shadsuk Minsiem. C. Laho Dance. D. Nongkrem. The correct answer is C. Laho Dance. 7. The first and only airport in Meghalaya with commercial flights is located in A. Shillong. B. Tura. C. Baljek. D. Umroi. The correct answer is D. Umroi. 8. Which Meghalaya tribe traditionally practices matrilineal inheritance? A. Rabha. B. Bodo. C. Khasi. D. Mizo. The correct answer is C. Khasi. 9. The Sora region receives rainfall mainly due to A. Cyclonic storms. B. Orographic rainfall. C. Monsoon wind convergence. D. Westerlies. The correct answer is B. Orographic rainfall. Question 10. Which act provides for autonomous district councils in Meghalaya? A. Article 370. B. 6th Schedule of the Constitution. C. Meghalaya Reorganization Act. D. Article 356. The correct answer is B. 6th Schedule of the Constitution. 11. Which of the following is a traditional iron smelting site in Meghalaya? A. Siju. B. Nongklao. C. Raliang. D. Nartiang. The correct answer is D. Nartiang. 12th Balpakram National Park is believed by local people to be the A. Abode of the gods, B. Place of ghosts, C. Gateway to the underworld, D. Birthplace of their tribe. The correct answer is C. Gateway to the underworld. 13. The official language of Meghalaya is A. Khasi, B. English, C. Garo, D. Hindi. Correct answer is D. All of the above. 14. In which year was the Meghalaya Police established as a separate force? A. 1970, B. 1972, C. 1974, D. 1976. Correct answer is C. 1974. 15. Which region is famous for the living root bridges? A. West Garo Hills, B. East Khasi Hills, Kachar Reboy, D. Southwest Khasi Hills. Correct answer is B. East Khasi Hills. 16. The current 2025 Governor of Meghalaya is A. Fagu Chauhan, B. Satya Pal Malik, C. B. D. Mishra, D. Chi Vijay Shankar. Correct answer is D. Ch. Vijay Shankar. 17. Which river forms a natural boundary between Meghalaya and Assam? A. Brahmaputra, B. Umtru, C. Kopili, D. Digaru. Correct answer is C. Kopili. 18. Who among the following Meghalaya leaders served as Lok Sabha Speaker? A. B. B. Lingdo, B. P. A. Sangma, C. Vincent Pala, D. James Sangma. Correct answer is B. P. A. Sangma. 19. Which Meghalaya festival celebrates the harvesting season among the Garos? A. Shad Suk Minsiem, B. Nongkrem, C. Wangala, D. Beiding Klam. Correct answer is C. Wangala. 20. Which cave in Meghalaya is the longest in India? A. Siju Cave, B. Mausmi Cave, C. Liat Pra, D. Cream Limput. Correct answer is C. Liat Pra. 21. The Meghalaya Legislative Assembly consists of how many MLAs? A. 40, B. 50, C. 60, D. 70. Correct answer is C. 60. 22nd. The state emblem of Meghalaya includes which symbolic animal? A. Clouded leopard, B. Mythical bird, C. Mountain goat, D. Tiger. Correct answer is a clouded leopard. 23. The traditional attire of the Khasi women is known as A. Mekhala Chador, B. Jainsem, C. Dekmanda, D. Fainek. B. Jainsim. 24. Which town is known as the wettest place on Earth? A. Mawsynram, B. Cherrapunji, C. Nongpo, D. Tura. Correct answer is A. Mawsynram. 25. Which is the only central university in Meghalaya? A. Nehu, B. MLCU, C. MIT, D. Eek. Correct answer is A. Nehu. Northeastern Hill University. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Meghalaya Knowledge Hub. Your success is our mission. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep aiming high. All the best, and thank you for watching.